All right, guys, welcome to our life in the Philippines. Another little walk, just out checking things out, and we are across the Marina Arcade. Afternoon. Traffic is pretty intense. The vendors are out barbecuing their chicken.
That looks yummy.
It is actually pretty good. We have, I'll show you. We have one here. I'm going to show you where we buy our stuff. We actually buy our chicken up here. Actually, I think we walked by it already. Just didn't pay attention. But it's lively traffic. It's just like over the last 5 years here.
Yeah.
I mean, you've been here 3 almost, right?
Yeah, 2.5 years, but I see a lot more traffic like on a monthly basis, it increases.
Right. Yeah, I mean it's incredible. Let's try to walk in between here. Here is the yeah.
The ATMs are closed. As usual.
Yeah, Metrobank has a problem with their ATM service and maintenance. Hello. One of the things I see today is the number of people wearing masks
has increased considerably. This morning when I went out on my walk, it was near SM Clark.
Right.
Everybody was wearing almost everyone was wearing a mask.
Yeah.
That's good, they're taking precautions.
Yeah, the coronavirus is, everybody is afraid of it. People are afraid of it. I don't think, people should be hysterical about it, but precaution is always good. Here we got some fruit stands. These girls always stand here on this corner. Yeah, they look great. Nice grapes. Oranges look nice too. Sun-fresh oranges. All right, do we walk over here? I guess if we hurry, we can. Yeah, so I mean, it seems like people are getting aware. You said something about empty shelves of alcohol and all kinds of stuff.
Yeah. If we go to the supermarket, you'll see the alcohol section's empty.
Right.
Means people are buying up alcohol. They're starting to prevent.
Yeah. Back down there, Yumbo Yendra. That's one of the supermarkets. You go in there. You go in there one of these days and stand in line. 3 o'clock in the afternoon. You stand in line for an hour to get out of there.
To get out of the supermarket?
Yeah, that's true. Some 7-Eleven. 7-Eleven is a big franchise here. Right across the street there is a new McDonald's, maybe a year old. McDonald's franchises are popping up everywhere.
I know, there's one literally 2 blocks from here.
I wonder if that's why you start seeing a lot of obese Filipinos.
Well,
fast food.
I've certainly gained some weight, and thanks to them, because it's so convenient to go there when when you're hungry and just walk there. And
right. Yeah. Yeah, that's true. It's convenient.
Yeah, but it's unhealthy.
And it kills your hunger, but it's not very healthy. You know what? One burger with fries has 2,000 calories or what?
Yeah, and then you don't really, a cheeseburger, fries, and a drink doesn't really get my hunger away.
No, it doesn't.
That's why I'm doing a ketogenic diet.
Right.
I'm getting back in shape, and my ketogenic diet keeps me from getting hungry.
Right.
Because it's you eliminate all the carbohydrates, but you can have all the protein and fat you want.
That's true.
Combined with some cruciferous vegetables.
Yeah, right.
All your veggies, and we're good.
Yep.
Healthy living. Back to healthy living.
Yeah, right there it's a city mall. And around here you have a lot of these street food vendors, snack vendors. Ruzi is a big Chinese motorcycle outlet, yeah. And they're pretty cheap too.
Yeah, we can cross the street here.
We can head over. Here, you got to be careful crossing the street.
I venture always, because
this is the walking capital of the world. People does not use, crosswalks. They just walk across the street anywhere.
Walk across the street. I learned from them, yeah.
They pop out in front of buses. They pop out everywhere. So if you're not careful driving here, one of these days, you hit one of them.
Yeah.
And as a foreigner, it's going to be your fault, no matter what.
No matter what.
One of the bigger builders' warehouses here. Builders' Warehouse. It's almost like they copied Builders Square in the United States.
Yeah.
Are they still in business there, Builders Square? I don't think they are they? I think Lowe's and Home Depot killed them.
Yes.
Korean fashion outlet. Actually, my wife was here and bought some clothes the other day. They do sell pots and pants and other thing. And here you have another. I've never seen him here before.
I actually bought from across the street.
Over there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was good.
Chicken?
Yeah.
Yeah. I bought there a few times, but several times. It was like tasted really what do you call it? Dry.
Charcoal.
Yeah. Dry food. Dry chicken. And I kind of didn't like it. You mean at Eddie's Carinderia over there?
Yes.
Yeah.
That's where I bought chicken before.
All right.
And it was, when I bought it, it was good.
Yeah.
They let me pick the chicken I wanted. It looked good.
Yeah. And here's my car wash. This is where I go and get my motorcycle.
Oh, the barber moved, you know?
Oh yeah, no. They see they're tearing this whole thing down.
Yeah.
This little building right there was my barber had a little place there.
But he moved over by where...
Yeah, he has moved, and this is going to be a what do you call it? Excessive supply for machinery like generators and other things, and they're going to use this whole area.
There.
So they forced the you know, the taxis and the vans.
Yes.
That parked in front of here, they forced them out of there too. And there was some Koreans that picked up this place.
I see.
Koreans are moving in everywhere.
Big time.
Big time. Not before long, Philippines is a Korean population.
Well, Chinese are everywhere already.
Right.
This is
That's
where your
true.
barber shop moved.
Yeah, this is where he moved. Right here. Barbershop. San Isidro. Man, some kids, man, they just love to have those noisy exhaust systems.
Yes.
I don't know.
They make all noise and no power?
All noise, no power, yeah. They sound more powerful.
Yeah, they really are.
Yeah. They give you the little
Noise.
feeling of being powerful.
Noise pollution
Yeah.
and then some.
All right, so the conclusion of this whole thing is when we walk around, we see a lot of people starting to wearing masks, which is good. And over here, you have like a printing house.
This one here is a printing house.
Yeah, brand printing. And the lady that owns this building, she owns the salon here. And then you have I believe this is the first coin laundry in this barangay, and they have good equipment. Right. All right, guys, we are almost home. Taking a little walk, and we are going to wrap this one up, and we see you at the next video. God bless. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Wait, don't click that button unless, of course, you hit the subscribe button, and then you can move on. And while you're down there, hit the notification button as well. And if you leave a like or a comment, we will personally respond to you on all or any request you might have. And thank you for watching, and we'll see you again at the next video.